Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your second-hand bookstore businesses. As an owner of second-hand bookstore, you got many queries from your customer regarding the search for a book, check availability as well as customer support. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your second-hand bookstore businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will automatically take orders from your customer. By sending hi message or any message in my WhatsApp business account of second-hand bookstore businesses, here I send it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Sunshine Second-Hand Bookstore. How can I help you today? While providing me three different options such as search for books, check availability, place an order. If I'll click on search for books, then it will provide me one thank you message for reaching Sunshine Secondhand Bookstore while also giving me one link. When I'll click on this, then the full list of the available books will be visible in front of my screen. If I'll click on place order, then it will ask me to provide the book title that I want from them. So here I am adding the name of the book title that I want to purchase from this secondhand bookstore. Here I write it. See, the bot will respond to me automatically that order received while providing me the book title that I want to purchase from them. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically instantly. If you want to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your second-hand bookstore, then you have to follow the step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can go in sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining as well as your WhatsApp number added. With the help of this plus add WhatsApp number, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. If you click on this button, it will provide you two options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the another is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also create multiple folders and in this home section you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number which are added to your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is Inbox in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contacts details, create segment, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queue in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for send up bulk messages to many users at once. It is used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we also provide one video of how to use an AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get helps, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder, so I'll click on this button Flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. This is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our second-hand bookstore businesses, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action, you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. Let's get started. There are the three ways to start our flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple types of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of second-hand bookstore. Now I want to add one welcome message for my customer. For this I am clicking on this message option, select text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and entering the welcome message for my customer. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, I'll ask one question to my customer, that how can I help you today? So for answering this, I am providing some options to them by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as search for books. The second button I'll write as check availability. And the third button I'll write as place order. When my customer wants to search for a book that they want to purchase from my bookstore, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am adding one another text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this message box here and entering the response message that my bot will give to my customer. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the circle which are present in front of search for a book to the message I wrote here, so that it will connect it. Here I also connect the starting point of my flow to the message I wrote for my customer by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle, so that our flow will connect it to each other. Now if my customer wants to know about the books that are available in my second-hand bookstore, then they will click on this button, check availabilities. For that my bot will respond to them. Here I am clicking on this action button and select the button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and write the question for my customer, that what type of book they want, means the title of the book. Here I am asking the title of the book to my customer. Here I write it. After that I'll select the contact custom field as book title. I already create a contact custom field for this. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Now here I'll select the format as text. Number of attempts I'll give as 1. If you want to enter a validation message, then you can enter in this box. I don't want, so I am leaving this blank. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of check availability to the message I wrote here. After that, when my customer give it to me the title of the book they want, so my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button, drag this message box here and entering the booking confirmation details of the book they want from my second-hand bookstore. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, I'll also mention one link of this bookstore so that they can easily access my website also. Here you can see I'll write $1 symbol before book title, because with the help help of this symbol, the response my bot will give to my customer would be manual. That any name of the book they want, then it will write it here. Now I'll connect this circle to this message. Here is connected. After that, when my customer wants to place a order from my second-hand bookstore, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another ask question box. Drag this message box here and entering the message that were related to the placing order in my second-hand bookstore. Here I am entering the message. Here I write it. While in this message also, I'll ask my customer to first give it to me the book title that they want to purchase from my second-hand bookstore. For this, here I am selecting contact custom field as book title, select format as text. Number of attempt I would like to give is 1, and I leave this enter validation box because I don't want to write any validation message for my customer. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of place order to the message I wrote here. It is connected. After that, when my customer will provide me the book title, then my bot will respond to the customer with the booking confirmation message. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag, align and choose content type as text plus button. Here I am writing the booking confirmation details. See, in this message box also, I'll write $1 sign before book title because different customer purchase different books. Here you can see I also wrote this order received in this asterisk sign. With the help of this sign, my message will deliver to my customer WhatsApp account in the bold form. Now our flow is completed. After that, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll show you how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of second-hand bookstore. Here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Sunshine Secondhand Bookstore. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options such as search for a book, check availability and place an order that we were written here. See, search for a book, check availability, place an order. If I'll click on check availability, then it will respond to me like this. Let's check the availability of the book you are looking for. Please type the book title. Here I write it. See, the bot will respond to me automatically by my book title name. See, The Alchemist found and available. While providing me one message that you can also visit our website to browse our full collection and check availability. If I'll click on place order, then this bot will respond to me like this and providing me one message that please provide book title details to complete your order. So here I am again providing a book title. Here I provided. See, my order is confirmed while providing me one order ID, and at the end of this message it will also provide me one website link that are official website of this second-hand bookstore. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically instantly. It will create it without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.